చెయ్యిరా చెప్పి అబ్బరా
Start.
స్టార్ట్ రా.
Hello everyone, I am Chaitanya and let me introduce our team members Charan Sai Manmit, Santosh Bora and Vivekananda. We are discussing about regional language in India and fading out in today's world. Charan Sai Manmit, start your opinion on regional language in India.
Hello everyone. Yes, I also think that regional language is going depleted day by day because Western language is coming nowadays. Most of this generation is listening English, French, Spanish, Chinese, as these languages are mostly used in the world. But Hindi or any regional language is nowadays is no of use because if you see in GD and interviews, you should speak in English instead of Hindi, and nowadays of English determine the knowledge of person whether he is intelligent, which is so bad. If this is going that day by day is not for where our coming generation will not know any Indian languages. According to me, we should know a foreign language, but along with that we should prefer our Indian language also.
At present, religion language are fading. Why? Because we are giving much priority to other tongue than mother tongue. Suppose if we imagine mother tongue as your eye and other tongue as your spectacles, without proper eyes, what's the use of spectacles? This is an example. And day by day in our schools and colleges, our religion language are fading. My request is first learn mother tongue, as our honorable vice president always bother about mother tongue. So firstly we have to bring awareness about mother tongue, as we know it's important. Then after we have to give property to other tongues.
I am not sure if the regional languages are completely fading out. There still are some areas in every region following their cultural heritage and giving their languages a recognition it deserves. For example, in AP and Telangana, we have the Telugu language, but it is not made compulsory at English medium schools. Hence, no one is compelled to learn it, as it is an optional language for us. So, could learn Sanskrit or French as a second language. It should be made mandatory for it not to fade away. At least communication is required it to reading or writing of the regional language.
In my opinion, I absolutely say that regional languages are not fading out. Every community had their own language and they are too good at many. So English is techie language one needs to nail. What professional remains professional and what personal remains personal. Do people change their language for jobs and others? Absolutely not. It's always mother tongue which helps them to form civility with another person in society. Because not everyone knows his English. But truly and sadly, Indians are most obsessed with English culture and English language.
In my opinion, I would like to say that regional language are not falling out in today's world because our mother tongue should be in our heart, and for the sake of professionals, we have to be aware of English. In IT sectors, we can't talk in our mother language, whether there will be a people who don't know more than few languages. So English is the international language and professional language, and everyone know this language. And also for an interview in IT sector will be done through English, not in your mother tongue.
I think it's true. Religion language are fading in our country. The first thing I would like to mention in the international language is English. English is the one which is spread all over the world for global communication. After unchanging the mobile network like 4G, India stuck to the net communicating in English, leaving their mother tongue. And the second thing, in our new generation who are presently in schools are made to learn English first and then other languages. The third thing is family members. Family members also speak English with their children, uh, uh, despite their mother tongue. But I conclude we should not lose our own language. We should balance the both languages. Then
The international language English is the one which is spread all over the world for global communication. After enhancing the mobile networks like 4G, India stuck to the net communicating in English, leaving their mother tongue. And the second thing is the new generation who are personally in schools are made to learn English first and then other languages. The third thing, family members also speak English with their children despite their mother tongue. But I conclude we should not lose our own languages. We should balance both.
I completely agree with Chaitanya what he said. We should balance both the languages, both the mother tongue and the English language. Our mother tongue is useful, okay, maybe useful in our local regions, but English is will be useful in whole over the world. But we need to balance the languages. For example, if we learn English in the school, we should speak in our mother tongue in our religion, in our neighborhood. So we should know both the languages, both the English and our mother tongue language.